Hi students, Andhra Pradesh.
Please like this video, subscribe, get notified.
Friends, my name is Kellada Vaishnavi. I am studying 10th class JPP High School, Rajpeta. Today I explain the sum. Find 1. Sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. 2. 2 into tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Solution. First one, sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees is equal to sin 60 degrees ante root 3/2 into cos 30 degrees ante root 3/2 plus sin 30 and 60 ante 1/2 is equal to root 3 into root 3 by 2 into 2 is equal to root 3 into root 3 whole square by 4. Square ki root ki cancel. That's 3/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 3 plus 1 4 is equal to 1. 4 ones cancel. Second one, 2 into tan square plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees is equal to 2. Tan ante 1, tan square ante 1 plus cos square 30 is equal to root 3/2. Square ఉంది కాబట్టి స్క్వేర్ వేసుకుంటాం మైనస్ sin square 60 is equal to root 3/2 is equal to plus root 3/2 whole square minus root 3/2 whole square is equal to cancel. 2 1 is equal to 2 ones are 2. Thank you for watching.